Merry Christmas, everyone! We're preparing our origami challenge. We're making a poinsettia and stars. This is our project in Kaigo to protect Alzheimer. He was Alzheimer for the old age, just like me, because I'm 66 already, and we're getting older. Okay, just relax, enjoy, relieve, stay blessed, and always pray for your health. Yan ang ating Merry Christmas. Tapos na tayo sa ating atsaran. Meron pa tayong gagawing iba. Meron pa tayong tamarind, yung sampalok, and ang ating tarts, both tarts, and yemas, and ubi yemas. Okay, this is Ate Jane of Fiesta. Good morning. Merry Christmas, everyone. See you in Fiesta today. Merry Christmas.